Welcome, Swans! This is Francesca Villanueva from BSN Science, and for today, we'll talk about one of the most unforgettable highlights of this school year, the Co-Ed Day. And yeah, you guessed it, I'm talking about the mass dance. It was such a feel-good moment you wouldn't want to miss. Let me take you back to that day real quick.
With the theme Empowering Minds, Embracing Diversity, celebrating the excellence of the College of Education, the Co-Ed Day was a vibrant celebration of unity, talent, and school spirit. A day that brought students, faculty, and staff together in joyful recognition of our shared talent and identity.
Back the energy, excitement, and unforgettable memories shared by all who participated and cheered from the sidelines. And from the bottom of my heart, I want to congratulate the Bachelor of Physical Education who were hailed as the overall champion of this event. And that is for my vlog. Thank you for watching!